Lavex Janitorial offers a broad, economical line of mop buckets to help you keep your business clean and welcoming. Featuring 7 different colors, our mop bucket wringer combos provide the easiest way to prevent cross-contamination in your business. If you're worried about employees rolling the bathroom mop bucket through the kitchen, check out our industry color coding system guide to find out which bucket is best suited for the back of the house, front of the house, and everywhere in between. To use the mop bucket and wringer combo, begin by fitting the wringer onto the back of the mop bucket. It fits snugly onto the bucket to prevent the wringer from shifting and potentially knocking the bucket over. Fill your mop bucket about 2/3 of the way up with the appropriate ratio of water and cleaning solution, dunk your clean mop and place it into the wringer. Then push the comfort grip handle and squeeze the excess water from your mop with a quick and easy motion. When the job is complete and it's time to empty the bucket, the removable wringer and easy lift handle make for an easy ending to a dirty job. Also, with its capacity, you'll have enough room to mix water and cleaning solution without having to go back and forth for more water while cleaning the same area. The included casters let you roll the full mop bucket from one room to the next without breaking a sweat. Plus, the bumper guards protect your walls and corners from any accidental scrapes. Not only do these buckets come with non-marking wheels, they also feature a wringer with a heavy-duty spring to help with the wringing process and a comfort grip handle for easy use. This removable wringer allows for easy transport and storage under counters. Rounded edges, easy lift handles, non-scuffing casters, and a large capacity makes this mop bucket the perfect choice for your business. As an added feature, the universal caution symbol with English, Spanish, and German translations is printed on the side of every bucket to alert your customers to a wet floor to help avoid slips and falls. Whether you need to clean a large lobby, a busy kitchen, or a small break room, Lavex Janitorial Mop Buckets are a great, cost-effective solution for your business.